Yesterday afternoon, I posted a review video on the WattCycle 314 amp hour smart battery. And just a few hours after I posted that video, I found out there is a major problem with this particular battery. To be clear, this problem only affects the smart edition of the WattCycle battery, this one right here, the 314 amp hour. The problem is when you hook two of these batteries up in parallel, one battery will go all the way dead before the other battery kicks in and it starts charging the first battery instead of both of them going down evenly like they're supposed to. That's a major problem if you're hooking two of these up in parallel. Frankly, it just won't work. Now, if you're doing what I'm doing and just installing one battery, then this doesn't affect you or me. However, when I got the word of the problem with this battery, I immediately took my video down. If you purchased a battery like this through my video link, I wouldn't worry about it because WattCycle was immediately notified and I'm sure they wouldn't even sell you the battery. I sent them notice that I had pulled the video down and I got an immediate response and it said, "We will get this issue resolved properly." You see, one of the reasons I accepted this WattCycle review is their excellent reputation for full customer service. And they're not going to let you down. They're going to make sure you're taken care of. And like I said, if you happen to have ordered a battery using my link yesterday afternoon, chances are they're not even going to send you a battery. They're going to get this resolved first. However, if you just ordered one battery because that's all you need, then like I said, this isn't going to affect you. Anyways, my apologies. My main responsibility is to you, my viewers, and not WattCycle. But at the same time, the only reason I accept to do a review from any company is their reputation for customer service and customer satisfaction. So I'm sure WattCycle is going to get this figured out.